Alright, today's video is sponsored by Chromeworks. They were awesome enough to send me a 2-in-1 Outlaw Series exhaust that we're putting on this badass big bore build behind us. We're going to install it. I'm telling you, I'm already a big fan of Chromeworks. I've ran it before. Man, they got the quality, they got the sound, and they're always bringing the power. So let's install this thing. Crystal's fell asleep a few times already. Had to go wake her up. All the excitement, she can't handle all this excitement. Can you? Just tell them how you've been asleep and you just can't handle all this excitement.
I did have to take a nap.
It's a long process. Especially when you do it right. It's a long process.
It's okay. I don't mind at all.
Yeah. So yeah, when this exhaust gets on, it's going to sound like a beast. We've heard it on other builds, but not on the big beast. On the big beast. So, almost there, almost there. Let's finish putting this exhaust on. Finesse is definitely your friend because you really don't want to be rough with it. Finesse it in, it'll fall right in, it'll line up. Chromeworks, I've installed several of them. They have to be the easiest installation I've ever done with the exhaust. You don't have to fight it, you don't have to make stuff fit into place. They do an excellent job engineering these products to where everything just fits right on the money. These guys have just got it going on. Cannot wait. This is exciting. If I seem a little excited, a little jittery walking around, it's because this has been a long time coming, and I can't thank Chromeworks enough for coming on board, sponsor, send us this awesome sponsorship. They're outstanding. I cannot say enough about them and their products. I love them, and I'll stick with them. So let's finish this exhaust. We almost got the header pipe completely installed. I just want to take a moment to talk about this. Their manufacturing and engineering is outstanding. I love the quality, I love the sound. I mean, just take a look at the welds and how everything goes together. Once again, thanks Chromeworks. We appreciate you guys being on board. Alright, we got the muffler on, it's coming along. Check this out. Oh yeah. Getting even closer. Getting even closer to fire it up. Top cover on. All we got left is this cover, and we're getting closer to seeing what this thing sounds like. Don't want to lose these. Chrome works, baby. Chrome works. The finishing touch. There we go. We got the final piece put on. It's time to fire this thing up and see what it sounds like. Almost done. Almost ready.
Go home, we'll start it tomorrow.
George has got jokes. son. I'm telling you what, this Chromeworks Outlaw exhaust sounds amazing. It sounds badass on this build, all right? I'm telling you. Wow, just wow. It sounds amazing. We got this thing fired up. George and that guys did great. Now I gotta do a little break-in on it, and then we're going to put it on the dyno, see what kind of numbers it runs.
All right, he'll be back.
So yeah, I want to finish this up, talk to you guys. I've been doing the break-in period. Everything's awesome. Can't say enough. The sound is just out of this world. The sound of this exhaust, you will not be disappointed on. I don't have the final dyno numbers yet, but that'll come on later in our build series. We decided to change a few things up with the motor, but let me tell you what, it is not lacking power at all. It is just, I can't be happier. You will not be disappointed by going with this exhaust. The sound, the power, the crispness, and everywhere I go, I mean, heads turn. Everywhere I go, the heads turn. People are like, man, we love the sound of that. This thing is badass. So I want to thank Chromeworks for sending this out to put on this build. You'll see more of it in the build series, and come down to Daytona and hang out with us here, right around. It's just awesome. That's all I can say. I am super happy with this pipe. And I cannot say enough about how great Chromeworks is to work with, the quality of the products, and the sound is just, it's got the best tone. In my opinion, it has the best tone on the market. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and come back and finish watching the rest of the build series.